NA-75 is a constituency for the National Assembly of Pakistan. It consists of Daska Tehsil. General elections were held on 10 October 2002. Ali Asjad Malhi of PMLQ won by 50,592 votes. General elections were held on 18 February 2008. Sahibzada Said Murtaza Amin of PMLN won by 77,819 votes. General elections were held on 11 May 2013. Said Iftikhar al-Hassan of PMLN won by 118,192 votes and became the member of National Assembly. General elections were held on 25 July 2018. The seat of NA-75 fell vacant after the demise of the PMLN parliamentarian Said Iftikhar al-Hassan Shah. By-elections on this seat will be held on February 19, 2021. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.